Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. So class timing is from 8:30, na? The start class time is
Yes, sir.
8:30. I see someone have joining half an hour before the class. Yeah. Hello, is screen visible now? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you all get the software, WaterGen software. You all
No,
have
sir.
the software, na? This software.
No, sir.
Okay, I will share the
No,
link.
sir.
Okay, I will share the link. Download guidance video and software link also. So follow that video and install the software. So today we have the introduction about this water gems. Okay, so see today we have the first sessions and we'll see the overview of water gems and about the application of this water gems, feature and interface and drawing view, planning, zooming, startup, global data and drawing data. So we have all the introduction about this software and see how this software will work. So this is the overview on water gems. So you all know about this water gems, that it will do as a open flow water gems, providing you with a comprehensive yet easy to use decision support tool for water distribution network. So I will share this PPT to you. So read this PPT. So you know all the about the water gems and this is about the application. Application means about the software. So superior interquality with open water flows. You can work across CAD, GIS. So we have the options here to work with a CAD file, GIS file, and standalone platform while accessing a single share project data source. The applications gives you the choice of modeling from within three interpolated platforms. So Windows for ease of use, accessibility and performance, ArcGIS for GIS integration, Demtric mapping and publishing, AutoCAD for CAD layout and drafting. So for working in GS, for water GSI, we need this type of files like AutoCAD file or GIS survey or any planning to create a water flow file there. So, means our objective of this software to study the WaterGem software to enhance our technical skill and to understand practical implementation of pipe network analysis in broad area. So, why this software we use WaterGems for building a water distribution network and performing steady state as well as extended period simulation. And it's used for water quality analysis, used for network design, and it's used for model calibration and also used for network design optimization. So this software will use for these things. See, these are the feature and interface. In feature and interface, I will show you the introduction about the software applications, all their menu bars and their ribbon bars, and about all the tools. So how will we use these tools, all the tools. These are their ribbon bars or menu bar, ribbon bars. According to menu bar, we get all the different tools here. In water gems, what data you require and what do you get output. So we'll see this small diagram. So initial level head, the pipe inlet LC, vector dia, reservoir tank, and so we have to create this all the pipelines in this software. This is the hydraulic elements type like pipe, junctions, fire hydrant, tank, hydropnetic tank, reservoir, pump, various speed pump, battery, valve, PRV, PSV. So we'll do all these things in this software. See, these are the file types. These are the some file type which is uh, accepted by the this software. So this type of file format we need to work in water gems like .bak. BAK means backup file of the model, or .cri result of critically analysis. DGN drawing file for microstation platform. DWG means a drawing file from AutoCAD platform. DWH from drawing file for standalone platform, and MDB Axis database file for ArcGIS platform. So these are the formats. We also use a XML file as a Excel sheet, and we have the this file types we are going to use in water gems. So I am using water gems this latest version, not much latest version. I am using update 2. So these are the three software, and see what is the difference between in these three softwares. When you install the software now, so you get the three symbol here. And in these three symbols, see, first one is the simple water gem software. Water gems means in this water gems, you get options to set unit in two format, like in imperial and in metric. Imperial means you are going to work in feet and inches, and metric means you are going to work in centimeter, millimeter, meters, and kilometers. And then see this two are we get, see this one is as a metric. So if you want to use a simple metric template, so just open this software. And suppose if you want to work in feet and inches, then open this software, because see it will show you water gems for Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 318 English Imperial, and this one is a English metric, and this one is a simple water gem software. So we are going to use this one because in this we get both options, imperial and metric. So just double click on this software. This software is created by the Bentley Institute, the same as the STAAD Pro created. See, when you open the software, so this is a welcome window, and see you'll get some welcome options here like a quick start lesson, create new hydraulic model, open existing hydraulic model. So from here you get some options to get some lessons. Lesson means, see if you want to know more about this software, so you get all information in here. But if you want to get a start new sheet, so you go through with these options, or you have save any file, water gems file here, so you can open from it. So this is our start panel. So see, if you click on quick start lesson, so we get one PPT here from a Bentley. See, these are the we get some syllabus here, some short command like water gems quick start lesson. We get first a building a network and performing a study state analysis, what we have to do in this software. It will show you all the interfaces, and it will explain here about the building and network performing study. So this type of plan pipe layout will create in this software, water gems. See how to create a new hydraulic model. So what we have to do, where we have to click, it will show the step by step all the information. SI unit or US category. SI unit we use for a metric. US category means feet and inches. This is international value. Hydraulic model, if you take a new sheet, so you have to set this title lesson 1 study. So it will explain you all the steps. So from here also you can learn the software by study this video. You'll get more information about the software, all the details. Then see, just see we get a file option here. So click on file and see we get some option here again, new, open, or import, or seed, or database utilities. See, if you click on database utilities, we get some compact database here, or cyanometric drawings. We get all the units. So what we'll do first, we just select the new sheet from here. Click on new sheet and it will process and initializing the new sheet. It's creating a new hydraulic model sheet. We get the sheet here. Then see all the introduction. This is our file. File means the main applications from here. We have options to take again new sheet, open, close, close, all, or save as options, import, print, all things you get here from file. Then here we get the menu bar like home. In home, see we have some tools here. This is a ribbon bar and we get all this ribbon bar will change through this menu bar. In home, we get this all options like calculation, drawing, common components, or common view, or common tools. If you click on layout, so you get layout tools, all the layout tools about pipe, junctions, tank, reservoir, hydraulic. So we'll get all these options from here. Then next we have analyze. So when you click on analyze, so we get all the analyze tool here, component tool, review tool. So this is a menu bar. So according to menu bar, we get different tool on this ribbon bar. All these ribbon bars. So it will change through menu. This is our title bar. Title bar means it will show you the project name and their location where it will save. And this is a search ribbon bar. Search ribbon bar means it will help you if you know about any tools now. If you want to know anything about these tools, just search here. It will help you. Suppose if you want to show what is alternatives, this one. So you just search here as an alternative. It will show you like alternatives. So it will search on and it will show you how to use it, and it will also show you how to activate the topology and all these things. If some tools will hide here, so you can search here and just open it. And all the navigation bar you will get from here, like zoom in, zoom out, all these things you get here. And this is the elements symbology. In elements symbology, you get all the options about pipe, lateral, junctions, hydrant, tank, reservoir, tap, all the information you get here in elementary symmetry. And we have here a background layer. Background layer means our file name will display here. What you have creating here now, so you get all the detailing here in background layout. And at this side, it will show you the X and Y axis distance, like coordinate, UCS, user coordinate system. It will display you where you are going to create. See, it will moving according to our mouse. Dimensions will moving according to our cursor. See, X and Y axis. Because we are going to work in 2D, so that's why it will show us only two axes there, X and Y axis, user coordinate system. So how will we going to work in this software? So first we need some plan of AutoCAD or Civil 3D or any survey data we need to work here. So what we'll do for starting work, we have to select the layouts. See, when you click on layout, so we get these options to create pipe system. So before creating this pipe layouts, what we have to need, we need some planning, some area survey. So in civil, in WaterGems, there is some sample file are inbuilt for practicing. So what we'll do, we just import that file. So click on file and click on import, and then see we have some WaterGems hammer. See, we have to locate that file. See, we have some sample file are available here. These are the sample files. See, it will show how many elements are there in this file. So all the elements will import here. See, this is sample file. This dots is called junction. This is a band and this is called a junction. So this type of layout we are going to create in this software, and we have to analyze this water flow speed according to time. Okay. From morning to evening we have to analyze this one with time, water flow. And see, if you click on this flexible table now, so you get all the information about this drawing. If you click here downside and see, we get this all options about the pipe, about the lateral, about the junction. So you will get all the information about this. See, ID names, their labels, the length scale, the start node, stop node. These are the distance. Start node with junctions and stop at PM, pump with 3, 4, 5. It will all inbuilt in this. So when you select any junctions or any, so it will provide according to that junction number. See the diameters of pipes, 12 mm or 10. It will display in inches. Sorry, inches. 12 inches, 10 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches. And what is the material of the pipe? See, ductile iron, Hazard Williams, so has checked, have valve, so we have to see after analysis. We get these all options after analysis. Minor loss, length, user defined in feet. So it will show that the pipes P8, P10, it will display here. So these are the results we get about the pipe. So if you click here, so you get about lateral. If you want to know about lateral, so there is no lateral here. So is there any junctions? If you click on junctions, so you get all the information about junction. 1, 2, 3. So different junctions are available here with level like J120, J110. So we learn all these things, how to give junctions level, this type or different type of junctions. How will we provide these elevations, zones? Okay. So this is a sample files. So this type of work we are going to do in WaterGen. And from here we have get options to compute all the analytical process from here. See, it will calculating about the pipe and about the junctions, about the band. See, after analyzing you get all the information. If there is any error, so it will display in red color. But see, in this plan there is no error. Why? Because this is a sample plan. It will inbuilt in this software. Okay, but when we are going to create now, if there is any error in flow, so it will display here as a false, balanced as a false for error. And now see, it will show as a flow arrow also. So this is our water reservoir. So from where the water flow, this is a pump. Okay, this one is a pump. It will display as a pump. This one, then water flow junction, then water flow arrow. So for increasing water flow, they provide here one pump after the reservoir. So after that will flow through the junctions everywhere. See. And we have a plan also. Just click on open, go to browse, and see we have some example also here, and we have AutoCAD file also in this software. See, we'll see first this example. Just open it. See, the same drawing, I think this one. Again, after computing, we know the flow. Okay. If you click on computing, so it will get analysis and calculating flow. And see the water flow directions. Click on file, open. can see all the sample file are available in this PC, and C drive. Go to a program file. In program file, we get this Bentley folder. Click on Bentley folder, water gems. Then we have here a sample options. Sample. So sample. And through sample C, we get a file format here. Which type of file format we need, like WTG or .mbd or SQL. So that type of file will display here. AutoCAD file also available here. All files are same for a sample. Now what we have to do, go to this PC and C drive. We'll find a planning there. This PC, C drive, project file, Bentley and water gems. Then we get sample file here. Click on sample file. See, we get this DGN or DXF. DXF means like AutoCAD file. Its format in DXF. Same as a DWG, it will convert in DXF format. So if you want to open this one, so just double click on it, or we just drag and drop in this software. So what we'll do, we just open from there. See, if I just right click on it and open with, we select the software like AutoCAD or which software you want to use to open this one. So it will pick AutoCAD because I think AutoCAD will create here as a priority, first priority. So that's why it's selecting this one. Actually today I have installed this water gems because I am using multiple software, so that's why after class I uninstall the software and then again I install software when I get the classes. So it will opening in AutoCAD. I'll show you that planning also. Okay. I just select the new sheet. Where is the new sheet? New. Okay. Then I just see, we get these options now, background layer. Just select it, right click on it, new, go to file. And through file, see, we'll open this all example DXF file from here. See the format here, we have a DXF. So we this display as a DXF example. We just select this DXF as a AutoCAD drawing. And see, it will ask us for specify the where the file location. It will display the level is example 2, units are in feet. Units are in feet because the software units now are in feet. So if you want units are in millimeter or kilometer or meter or mm, so we have options there. So suppose I'm going to use a millimeter, and here we have the transparency options. And transparency start from 0 to 90. So if you increase the transparency value, so our map will show a lighter there. So I'm going to use a 0 to show a darker. So then just click on OK. Size we need a scale of 1. Okay, if you give a 2, so scale factor will 2 times increase this file size. So we need a 1 scale, then click on OK. See, we get that file here, but we can't see it. So what we'll do, we just click on zoom. Okay, zoom extend. See, we get this map. This is the AutoCAD map. It will show all the direction. This one. Either it's a road or it's a pipeline direction. It will display here. First. So see, how will we going to work through this type of map? We have to start through a layout. Okay, so through layout we get options there. See, if you click on layout, So we get first option, see this dot. So suppose I am going to start from here. Okay. See, if I click here, this pipeline is going to create. See, if I click here, then see if you want to use junction or a bend, so just right click here and see we get all options. Like if you want to going to use pipe, these all are a pipe. And if you are going to use junctions, just click on junction. If you are going to use bend or hydrant or tank, reservoir, pump, so we'll use from there. Just right click and you get all these options here. So we are going to use as a junction. See, I just click here. These all are a junctions. Okay, after here I am going to use again here junctions. So just right click junctions and we need a junctions here. Then after junction, see this shape here. It's a curve shape. So what we'll do, just right click and we want to use bend here. Bend at this side, and here as a bend. And again we need here a junction. So right click, select the junction, and then we need here a junction. Okay. Then right click, we need a band option here. Then again right click, go to junction, and we need here a junction. Again we need one more junction. Here also we need a junction. Then we just right click and go to band. We need a band also at this side. At this side here. Oh, done. Then right click, and if you want to change from here, just change it, or just for escape, for cancel command, use escape button. I think I have not clicked there, so it will get cancelled. See, we get all the pipelines from here. See, all these pipelines. This is a junction area, J5, P5. Pipe, it will display as a pipe number, and this is a junction number 6. It will display as a pipe number and junction number. This one is as a junction number J6. So this way we have to create pipelines on this plan. It's AutoCAD plan, and we have to create a pipeline. From there, see the first junction, second, third. And if you want to create flow at this side, just click here and here. See, we get the junction 14, 5, 12. It will tick automatically here, but after analysis we get the exact pipe size. We need at this side. Right click, we need that. We need a junction for two side joint. We need a junction. Right click, bend. And right click, done. First point, right click, bend. Right click, click on done. So this way we have to create all the pipe direction. We have to provide junction, band, or if you right click, you need hydrant, tank, reservoir. So tank or reservoir we are going to create from start. So now just cancel this. Control J. Again click on layout and click on this point, and right click, we need band. Right click, we need one junction else. Right click, and so from right click we have options to select the pipe and junctions. Right click, then click on bend. Select bend. Right click, we need junction because sometime we have to continue pipeline from here, so that's why we have to provide here junction. See, like this, if you complete all the pipeline work here, so after that what you have to do, just right click or click on done here, then just go to a flexible table and see how many pipes are there. So it will show you the pipe details there, how many pipes we have given there, and P1 as a level pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3, and their length. Okay, it's display as a length all. Start node to stop node. Stop means junction 1 to junction 2, junction 2 to junction 3, junction 3 to junction 4. It will specify from which junction the pipe will start and which junction the pipe will have end, and their diameters. So all the diameters are here we have the same. So see, it will okay or not. For how will we get? If you click on compute, na, so it will take time to analyze, and it will show you if see engine calculator fail because see user notification for possible cause. To obtain a complete list of problem, choose analyze this value. So see, it will fail because no tank and reservoir exist in the network. At least one is required here. So we have to provide a reservoir. So click on the layout, right click, and then we have to provide a tank or reservoir. So if you select reservoir, suppose if you place here a reservoir, see one reservoir, right click, done. And according to water flow, see if the water flow is here, so we have provided reservoir here on the start point. P22 R1, it starts from this junction. And here suppose if we place here a water tank, here, water tank, right click, done. So now we'll see is analysis is computing or not. Engines are because before that pipe length must be greater than 0. We have to give all this pipe thickness and all these things out before creating this layout. We have to set all the dimensions there. We have to set first dimensions, then we have to start creating. So this is a method. We have to know how this method to create a pipes and junctions. We have to provide junctions on plan. So for working in water GIS, we need this type of planning of AutoCAD, or for Google Map also we can use a Google Map also. Okay, so we have to download Google Maps, or we link the Google Map with this water GIS, and we work through this method with layout. So first, these are the introduction, how the software will work and how will you get the output file. Then see, I'll show you the website from where you have. I am using WaterGems Connect Edition Update 2. So it's a 869 MB software, so it will download easily. You get this software from Get Into PC. Actually, I have saved a note link also. Okay, just type here get into PC. From get into PC, you get all the software. Only you have to type only get into PC and then go to first link, get into PC, download free your desired app. You will get all the civil engineering software or architectural software from this website, get into PC. Water gems. See, you get all the versions. Like this one is a 6 month ago, so it's a, latest version. So, but don't download our latest version. See, if you download latest version, so you will not get a crack. So you have to subscribe it for a year or for a month. You have to pay to Bentley and you will get the login ID and password from that company. So use update to the it's a one step lowest version. This one update 2. The latest one is update 3, and the new this year is launch update 10 point this one 10.1.104. But if you download this one, you want to buy a subscription. So I'll see. I just open this one. Exit update 2, or you get the name here. See all the descriptions about the software. Yes, see, this one is setup file. This is update 2. So full setup size is 868 MB, and see you get the link here. Download full setup, and when you get extract this file, you have to use this password 123. And here is the guide video how to install this software. So I just share you the link. Control C. You just download and install this software.
Sir, you are muted.
Hello. Now I am audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So download the software and install it first. Okay. And I have shared the link also. Just use this link and download this PPT. So after the installation of the software, I'm going through a session second. Okay. Session second to how to take a drawing or Google Earth map in water gems, how will we create the junctions and how we'll pick the pipe sizes. Okay, regular. So today we have the only the introduction about this software and the instructions to how to install the software. And before installing the software, you have to disconnect the internet and turn off window defender, and if you have any antivirus, just off the antivirus for half an hour or till restart, because I have also downloaded all the version here water gems, but only water gems update 2 will work in this PC, because in this setup I got a patch system. See, after when you extract the zip file, so you get this setup. After installing this setup, we have to do a patch, their patch. So this patch will activate this software for lifetime. Okay. And see, if you connect the internet now, so the Bentley will track your IP address, system IP address, then it will give you the message to subscribe. So you have to turn off the network connections and antivirus also. If there is antivirus is activated, so this file will corrupt. Okay, so you have to off antivirus also. So install the software today, and from tomorrow we'll start actual work in this software. If you have any query about this software, you ask.